Yes, it is. Oh, what? What? What?
Unit health check.
Fuck!
Now the big medical attention.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the worst holiday ever.
That is definitely going as a
Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade.
Battle's lost if we let ourselves relax.
Alright.
Your bank balance says... I don't think so.
Oh, my bank balance says no. It says no. That sucks. Found a piece of dosh, 28 left.
There's a weapon.
Let's sell that. Sell that shovel. Kill a shovel.
You earned the money. Now spend it.
Hauser West was won. Don't underestimate the enemy. One mistake, and they're all dead.
More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Oh, crap. Oh, wait. There's a door here. There's a door here. Hey, there's more. There's more
Perhaps
shit.
we scared them off.
And look, well, I'm gonna seal this crap.
More armor in here. More doors.
Raiding the door.
This is a not too hard out. Dude, come here. Come here.
Hate scrapes.
I'm exploring this whole area.
Oh god, I'm welding the shit. Fucking nonsense.
Oh
Oh god!
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
We can run around him! Ah!
Start. But let me see it remain.
Scheiße!
Are you still alive?
Yeah.
I'm running away.
You shut the door, me, you bastard!
You can weld it.
No. Just get out, I'm gonna get out of here. I got that. Well, cool.
Get off me.
Dunk. Yes!
I'm dead.
Oh god.
Oh no!
Back up.
God damn it! That's your fault!
It was an accident.
Danke.
I didn't know there was an FP in here with us. Oh god, you are really dead.
Ceiling's it.
Oh shit, that's not a good
Traffic
idea.
is open.
Behind you!
Scheiße! Achtung!
Hey, grenade!